This is something I love to do right here. Look at that. Dirt coming out of that radiator. Woo! This thing is going to be cooling nice after this. Look at that. So much dirt and dust coming out of that. It's insane. I'll do it from this side, and then I'll do it from the other side. I don't do it with a power washer because it kind of damages the fins. But if you just let this dust and mud kind of get wet, it'll break up and come out of there. At least for me, it usually does. But you can tell the difference already that this is going to make in the cooling. I mean, there's no denying that. Look at that. So anyway, that's the tip. If you got your skid steer or anything else loaded up with dust, might not be cooling that well, just go ahead and get in there and get rid of some of this debris out of here. It's going to help you out. I know this is going to help for sure. You can tell already. Alright, anyway, that's the tip. Done this one too. You can already see daylight through it. You couldn't see anything through there a minute ago, but you can see the light shining through now. It's definitely going to have a lot better airflow. You can see it's brown right there. The water's starting to come out a little clearer though. Might take a while, but it's definitely worth it. You'll know when it starts pushing out the back really easy. You can see it coming through now. Alright, hopefully you found that tip helpful.